Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GoSimpleTax software. Review my usage experience. GoSimpleTax software. Review my usage experience offers tax preparation software designed to simplify the process of filing individual and possibly business taxes. Its main purpose is to guide users through the tax filing process, offering assistance with calculations and form completion. Key features likely include importing W-2s and 1099s, calculating deductions, and e-filing returns. Their website provides details on specific features and supported tax forms. GoSimpleTax aims to provide an easy and affordable tax filing solution. They likely emphasize ease of use, possibly highlighting a straightforward interface and intuitive navigation. Pricing is probably transparent, with clear upfront costs and no hidden fees. The software likely uses a step-by-step approach to guide users, making the process accessible to those with varying levels of tax knowledge. Availability is likely nationwide, accessible online. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GoSimpleTax. Getting started was a breeze. I simply created an account, and the onboarding process walked me through the essential steps clearly. The interface was surprisingly intuitive. Even the more advanced features, like itemizing deductions, were relatively easy to navigate thanks to helpful tooltips and explanations. I was particularly impressed by how well it handled importing my W-2 data. It was fast and error-free. The software calculated my tax liability accurately, matching what I expected. I did have a quick question about a specific deduction, and their support responded within a day via email. Very helpful. A minor drawback was the somewhat limited number of supported tax forms, but it covered everything I needed. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GoSimpleTax. It saved me a significant amount of time and stress compared to doing my taxes manually, and the peace of mind knowing my return was accurately completed is worth the price. I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a user-friendly and effective tax preparation software. That's my overview of GoSimpleTax software. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.